Hello, our viewers. Today I'm coming to you from Menengai Geothermal fields here at Menengai crater in Nakuru County. Today we'll be exploring about direct use of geothermal away from generating electricity. There are many more other uses of geothermal. To start with, we are at this well here. It's called well 3. By well drilled, it means it was the third to be drilled, a successful one. And from here, this is where it gathers the steam. And there's a pipeline that goes down to another area there. Let me show you. Before we proceed, you can see the well name is well 3. Then easting, those are the coordinates, the elevation 2070 meters above sea level. Then it's drilled a depth of 2,100 meters. And water flow, steam flow, completion, it was completed on September 9th, 2011. The steam is gathered using this pipe, an elevated pipe here, and it's very hot. That's why you can see this red tape, the danger tape here, because it's quite hot. Then it's drained in this pit here. Yeah, we are here now. In this pit, you can see there are some coils. There are some pipes done where they are the platinum, coated with the platinum, where cold water, fresh cold water circulates through the pipe. Then this hot water here heats up the water in the pipes. A totally different water from whatever is gotten from the wells. It's a fresh water that goes through the pipes. You can see them down there that are heated. You can see the pipes are heated. Then you can see where they go. Let's go. With the pipe, you can see the piping. Let me take a shortcut here. We go to this greenhouse here. You see what's happening. There's a footbath here. We must dip our leg here not to contaminate the greenhouse. Here we have spinach and some kales at the other end, but I should do my explanation from here. As you can see, we have the white pipes running along where the spinach have been planted. As you can see, now when hot water comes from the bath there where we had the platinum pipes, it flows here and it generates heat. The heat here is very important because you know greenhouse operates with it's something to do with temperatures. Also, the pipes here helps in reducing pest and diseases control, because some diseases cannot do well in certain temperatures and even pests. That's it. Maybe next I should take you to where they are doing fish farming. Interestingly, there is a fish pond or fish farming done in a greenhouse setup here. With the information I've gathered here is that also there is a water bath here. We need to dip our legs. Yeah, and we have some visitors here. And fish takes like a year to mature, but with this technology they take like half of it or slightly over, like 6 months to mature. Then with this small area, you can have like 500 fish, and the other one, it's others that have 500 fish, and that means in a year you can have 2 harvests because of the controlled temperatures. Here, hot water mixes with cold water to create a conducive environment for fish farming. There are 500 trapias in that small area there. Let me take you to where they do milk pasteurization, where they use the geothermal heat to boil milk to over 70 degrees, then cool the milk down to about 4 degrees. Here, this is where milk pasteurization is done. They have these machines here that they use the hot water. Remember, from the platinum pipe, they come to this pasteurizer. Milk is heated to about 70 degrees so that they can retain necessary minerals and other things. Then after some time, water is drained and they get to use cold water from an ice bank. Let's see, like now the milk is about 5 degrees. That's our pasteurizer there. Chest freezer, and we have people working here. Let me take you next to where they do dry cleaning using steam. These are washing machine that also uses steam. It has various components made in China. Then we have a dryer here that also uses the same geothermal system. From here, I'll take you to a system that is used to drain grains. That's maize, wheat, and other kinds of grains. Temperature 120 degrees. Time 51 minutes. Let's go. Now this is a system that's used to dry grains. Especially with the Nakuru climate or weather, this can be set up in an industrial park. Actually, what should happen is that the county government or the national government should work with the Geothermal Development Company to set up an industrial park here. Because what we have realized from all what I have shown you is that there is much energy away from generating electricity, the power plants. The steam can be used to do so many other things, from greenhouses to fish farming, milk processing, dry cleaning, and now here we have a machine to dry grains. I think from here, this is where the trucks come, they pour the grains here, then it's pumped up, and we can see some fans and some other things. Then from here, it's where now, after the process, like about 5 hours, I'm not sure about the tonnage. This is where the trucks come and it's drained in the tanks, all the trucks back to where it's supposed to be. Now I need to explain about this arito. This is where the hot water comes in using these pipes. Then it goes through these radiator. Something looks like a radiator here. It sucks in cold air. The air is heated, then the hot air is pumped through that vent there up to the dryer. That's it. And that's the end of my video, all about direct use of geothermal steam here at Menengai crater. Keep it here, keep it in Nakuru today for more of such informative content. Thank you.